Hello guys, hope you are doing well. For today, I begin at 10 o'clock, which is different from the other weeks. For this month, we changed the time. So hope you can afford to come and attend. I will be just waiting for some time, and then we can see. So guys, if you have questions, just be ready to have your questions ready. So in this session, we try to see the whole week what did happen in the stock market, and especially today with Uber coming for today, and hope you have seen it. It opens late, nearly 12 o'clock. I was waiting for Uber for the whole morning. Let's see here. Okay. So, as you can see, or you may see in this week, the stock market stopped going up. Okay, when we reach the resistance line, it means the high of last year we did not reach it. Okay, until May, the whole year, and when it is near the high of last year, this week it collapsed. It go down, it go down, it go down until today. So for me, I always, when I see a correction in the trend, I try to do my best to short some indexes with ETFs. And today, I sold all my shares with shorting. The reason for that, I see the market, although in the morning was very low, but at the end it changed. So maybe next week this correction will stop. And if it stops next week, it will be a very big reverse. It means all the people who have been shorting, they will buy back, and you see a very long green candlestick, and this is what everybody is waiting for. Okay, so I see that there are two guys watching. So most of my guys are not here, so I will be just explaining things before the other guys come. Okay, so as I told you, the thing is very simple. The trend was very, very strong from 26 December 2018, and most of the stocks that are big, even there are some which are small, they have been going so good in the whole 4 months and the beginning of May. But this week there is a small correction. Now I heard in the news in the morning when I was looking at Uber and some stuff, and they say it's a sell-off. No, it's not a sell-off. It's just a small correction. Because a sell-off, it should be continuing for a long time. So this week was a correction, and maybe next week this thing will stop, I think. Now, if this thing, where the stock market in the indexes are going down, if next week it didn't stop from Monday, if it doesn't go up, it means maybe we continue going down. Hi, free trader. Thank you very, very much for coming. Did you, free trader, did you see Uber today? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see Uber. Thank you very much, free trader. You say, I was busy trading other stocks. Today was a good day. So are you long or are you short? Because most of the stocks in the morning, they were going down, most of them. But after 12, things change for everything. That's why I have some stocks that were red in the morning. I was astonished to see them green at the end of the day, and that's why I sold my short. The whole week I was shorting, and I sold my short. Like you say, Uber, as you can see in the chart, this is the first day. Let's go to the 10 minutes. Okay? Now, let's do the 5 minutes because listen, you know, at the beginning, it goes from 42 to 45. Okay? It goes from, you know, when I was looking before at 11:55, like what you see here, it means 11:50, 11:55. Before the market opens, I was looking at the price in my broker, and before it opens, it shows that it is from 45 to 45.50. Okay, and then it was going down until it opens with 42, which is too bad. I was scared to trade this today because I see that this is because the market was so bad in the morning. Okay, it was so bad in the morning, and the whole morning was going down. That's why Uber from 42 to 45, it's only the orders that were there at the open. Okay, that's why it goes so high from 42 to 45. And then I was watching, and until the 10 minutes, and I see the stock going down to 41.06, and then it begins going up. Okay, in this green, okay, as you can see, this is my this is the open, and this is where I want to buy. But I see it is so volatile because of these red candlesticks with going down, up and down, and I don't see that much in the stock. That's why it didn't reach. It reached here the highest. It reached 44.85, 44.85. So I don't want to go inside. So I didn't trade it. I was just looking, and then as you can see, Uber go down again to 41.45. It was a bad day for the launch of Uber. If the market was so strong today, Uber could go maybe to 50 or 60 or 70. But the mood of the day was too bad because all the people were shorting stocks. So people, they want to better short stocks than to go to Uber and buy it. Okay? Because shorting the stock, they see that all the stocks are shorted. So they just try any stock is going down, they make money. Okay? It was so easy. So the open was, as you told me, as I told you, 42. It goes below 42. It goes to 41.55. Okay? So, but understand that for me, I think if the market is going up next week, I think Uber will go up. I think this is just an opinion. I don't know what will happen, but I think that it will go up next week if the market is good. Okay, let's go and see what the guys are. Free Trader said, I want short, then I want long. Yes, this day is very strange because the whole day, the whole indexes in the morning, most of them, they were very, very shorted. The whole market. I see Dow Jones like 400, I think 450 or something points going down. But at the end of the day, everything's changed. That's why for me, I was shorting. And then at the end of the day, I see the market, it began to be strong. So I just sold all my shorts for this week. So I will not short again until I see next week how the market will be. Okay? So Free Trader said, let me drink some coffee. I shorted the market in the morning, then around 12:30 I noticed the bounce back and I took long position. My trades were amazing today. Thank you very much, Free Trader, for sharing with us. Yes, you are right. You are right because after 12:10, as you can see, Uber changed from going down to going long to going up. And I see that measure of stocks go up. So when I opened my account, I found all the stocks in green. But in the morning, all they were in red. I was waiting until I see what's going on. I don't want to sell until I see things. It's very good that you are doing day trading, which is amazing. Samsung said Uber opens at 42. I bought at 42 and sold at 43, made a small profit. Yes, it's very good. It's very good. Samsung today, the market mood was not in favor for Uber. Uber opens in a day when it was not good. Okay? That's why all the people are shorting in the morning. So they don't care that much about Uber going up or going down. That's why we have trouble. Free Trader said Uber will do good, but I am not focusing on it now. Samsung said 180 million shares at 42, about 7.5 billion valuation. Yes. Listen, I have listened to the news in the morning, and they say that Lyft and Uber, they have no earning. It means they are losing money. So it might be in the future. We will see what's going on, but understand that it is so strange. Okay. When I see what they say about the earnings and how much they make, they say that they are not making any money, they are losing money, and there is protestation and strikes against Uber because the drivers are not satisfied with what they get. And understand that these people they make a company, but I understand now Uber and Lyft, they can succeed in America here better because in all over the world they copied Uber. They do the same software, okay, because it was so easy. They copied, and each country makes its own Uber for itself, but Uber is just giving them the idea to make money, which is very, very hard. Understand that this is a business, and anyone who succeeded, he can take all the money. Samsung said, I just day traded. I am not an investor in Uber or Lyft. Yes, I understand. I understand that you are not an investor or something, but I'm just saying that some companies, they are really making money, and you see the progress, and others they don't. And investors, it will be very hard. Okay. O10 Ardam. Hi Karim, thank you very much for coming. Thank you. Free trader for me, Friday is a bloody day at 70%. Now for me, today is 50-50. Okay, shorting in the morning and going long in the afternoon, which is very, very funny today. It's very strange. Okay. Let's see. I will just show you so let's go to the daily. As you can see, this is very, very long. Here is the open, the close. This is where it goes to, $45. Let's go to market ETFs. Now listen, look how strong is today for the SPY, for the S&P 500. Okay, very, very strong. Russell, very, very strong. The good thing is that it touches the low of yesterday. As you can see here, low of yesterday 153.74. Here 153.67. It means it's the same, but it was so strong. Okay, and Dow Jones, you see, it's so strong. We will see on next week if it continues up or it goes down, because even though it is very strong candlestick, we will never know what will happen next week. Okay, so that's I don't know. Let me see Facebook, where it goes today. Oh, Facebook is bad. Let me see Apple. Apple is also bad. Let me see Twitter. Twitter doesn't go that much down. It's better than Facebook and Apple. This is just in general. Let me see Tesla. What does it do? Oh, Tesla, as I told the guy last week, Tesla, it is in a downtrend, so be careful, guys. But Tesla can go up at any time. It's a very, very strong stock. Okay, so today the people who were shorting the whole market or stocks, today they buy back, since they are selling other people's shares, because it is not their shares. So they are only selling other people's shares, which is investors' shares. Now, when they want to exit the trade, they buy back. That's why you see from 12 to 4, the market is very strong. It goes up so good in the afternoon. But in the morning, it was so bad. So next week, Monday is very decisive. If the market is so strong, it will continue going up. But if the market collapses again, it means that it will go into a downtrend. A downtrend, it means that we will be staying more and more and more and more, and the stock will go down more and more and more. Okay? Hi, Uber forever. Uber, it's your day. Your stock has come today. Neil Bassin. How are you, Neil Bassin? How are you? So, understand that all these stocks that follow the market, whenever you go, you find that these stocks follow. But some stocks, big or small or medium, they don't follow. When they don't follow, it means their problem is in themselves or in their industry. It's not in the whole market. Okay? So be careful. Not because because the indexes goes up, it means that all stocks will go up. Okay? Uber said, if during the long trend the price gaps down, means the end of the trend, we must exit the position, right? No. No, it doesn't mean that like that. I will tell you the reason. Why is that? Okay? A gap down is news. Okay? News change the direction. Whatever is the direction, you should not see if the stock is going into an uptrend or a downtrend. When the news comes, it changed the price, either up or down. So you should wait after the gap up or gap down, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and see where the stock is going. You will see that most of the time, the stock will go down, and sometimes it will go up. So the news, try to take the news from your head. Okay? Gap down, it is just because the earnings were bad most of the time, and the traders short the stock. Okay? So it is just news. So don't focus on the news. Focus after the news. But if the stock continues to go down after the gap down, it continues to go down, it means that the stock may go into a downtrend. It happens with Facebook before, it happens with Apple, it happens with Twitter, it happens with every stock. But sometimes it goes up. So you should wait. Okay? You should wait 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, and then you can see. Okay? So don't take any decision. Don't, for example, if you got a stock, you hold the stock for many weeks, and you are making a profit, and then you have a gap down. It means you lose your profits. It's a trouble for you. But you just wait. If you want to wait, you just wait and see where the stock is going. Does it continue to go down? It means that it is a sell. Because understand that when you sell, okay, you can buy it again. So what's the problem? Why, for example, selling, when you have a gap down, you sell, it means it is a big hit. No, it is not. You just sell and wait. If the stock redresses, goes back again, you can buy it again. And you can recover your gap down in few weeks if the stock goes up. But if you hold and the stock is still going down after the gap down, still going down. So what does this mean? It means here that you will be losing more and more and more money. And I'm telling you the truth. Who is this guy? Yes, Uber. Uber for now or forever. I will tell you that I don't buy because of the news. It is not because Facebook has a news, earning news, before the market close, I buy. No, I have never done that. Because the news, you will never know if it is good or bad. How can you just buy? It's just a pure gambling. It's just a pure gambling. There is no way you will know. Sometimes the stock is going down for 2 months, 3 months, and then you have a gap up. So the downtrend that it was in, it has nothing. It has no meaning. Because the news is a sudden thing. It comes with a momentum of the news. That's it. Okay? So the best way is to wait. Hello, Oramponobis. I think, Oramponobis, it's your day because all the people shorted in the morning. Hope you have shorted some stocks. Hello, Wiseman. Thank you for coming. Free Trader said, that's why I don't play with low cap stocks. I like blue chips stocks between 30 and 60 because they can show their trend. Yes, most of the big stocks, they can show very strong, but there are some stocks, whatever. It means you just see. There are some stocks even with $1, $2, $3, and they do a good trend without any trouble. It depends, but they are few. Okay. Nasir Anucci. Hello everyone. Bonsoir. Comment allez-vous? Thank you very much, Dinanucci, for coming, and for all the others who are here. Sorry for today. For this 4 weeks, I will be doing the live at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. And then we will change them later. Okay? So thank you very much. Oral said, can't short IPOs like Uber on the first day. That's a disadvantage for day trader. Oh, yes. That's good. A free trader said, please everyone hit the like button. Thank you very much, free trader. Now, thank you very much. Uber said, what are you making of this bad news about Uber, although the company keeps growing and owning more income stream? Now, listen. Uber, I saw the news in the morning about the fundamentals. It's horrible. Uber is not making any money. And it lost 1 billion this quarter. Or this year, I don't know, they say. With Lyft. and there is a harsh competition. Understand that in most of the countries they begin to have a copy of Uber. It means Uber gave the idea and the other they make a software and they do the same. So it's not a big deal. So Uber has a lot of competition, and the other income that they say they have money, it is just a few, okay? And it is not reliable. We should see in the future if Uber and Lyft can make it, okay? So it's not now, okay? And there is today demonstrations in New York. They say we need more money because the company has taken all the money. I don't know. Listen, all these doesn't matter. If investors want to buy Uber, they will buy it, and you will see it in the next few weeks. If they don't like it, they will sell. Most of the people sell, and the stock will go down like Lyft. Okay? Rahmatullah Moody, hello. Hello Kareem. Thank you very much for coming. Or previous, yes. Rahmatullah, hello Kareem. Thank you very much. Yes, free trader said competition is the problem of Uber. You understand that Uber, its business is very simple. That's why they copy it very well. They copy it in China, they copy it in Middle East, and they will copy it in everywhere else. Why a driver should rely on Uber here for an African country? In Africa, a small company or people, they make a software the same as Uber, and they do the same job. Okay? And understand that until the true numbers come, right now they say that Uber and Lyft, they are losing money. I see them in the all the information they give. Okay, so it is information by Uber and by Lyft. They are losing money. They are not making money. Okay, yes. Forget about the CEO and executives who are the owners, the few owners of the company, of the software. Yes, they are making money always. Even if the company go bankrupt, they take all the money and they put them in their pocket. Because who loses are investors. Okay? Most of the money the company get is for executives. And this you should know. That's why they go to the stock market and make an IPO, because they sell you virtual papers, shares. Well, what are these shares? They have no value. When they sell you, for example, Uber at $42, they have, I think, 180 million. 180 million, okay? It is free thing. It's virtual. It's like the lottery ticket. When they sell you a lottery ticket with $2 or $5 or $10, this is just the paper. The paper is 1 cent or 2 cents. That is the value of the paper. But in stock market, even 1 cent or 2 cents, there is no value in the share. But they sell it for you for $42 and you pay for it. You think that you can make money. But for them, they have already make money with the $42, and some of the money goes as bonuses to the executives. So understand the game of business. Stock market, business, it's two words apart. Okay? Oran said, competition affects companies. Look at Netflix when Disney announces their plan. I didn't see Netflix and Disney. Okay. Let me see. Since you brought. Oh, let me write it first better. Okay, see? Uh, Netflix is the same as the market right now. Since this week it goes down, so it's the same as the market. And let's see. Disney. Oh, the Disney, it has a gap up, you see? And it's going up to 134. So this week was bad. Yeah. But the gap up is for earnings. Okay, it's not for this thing. So Oral Proby said Disney getting into Netflix business the day of Disney announcement. Listen, there is a big competition between big companies. Big companies, they want to buy small companies that are successful, or they can crush them doing the same. So everything can change at any moment, because anyone who gives a better idea, he can win the race. So people are thinking and thinking and thinking about ideas, and each year we have new companies, and each year we have IPOs. IPOs, they come and they are new ideas, and if they succeed, they can become very big stocks. Okay? Free Trader said that's one of the reason why I give IPO time to prove itself. No rush with IPOs. Yes, but understand, Free Trader, there are some IPOs that at the beginning, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they do nothing. But when they go so bad up, no one will see them until you see them. Like this is Square. I see Square and I know about it, but I was not in because I forgot about it. I don't search that much. I see Square and I know it before it was an IPO, and I see how the people use it outside. It was a solution to everyone, even for anyone who is a person. You can use it to accept money without cash. For example, you are in the street, or you use it without accepting cash, because cash sometimes is difficult and it's risky. Okay? It gives a solution to people. It goes from $10 to $100 in few months. Okay? So these things, when the IPOs, when they go crazy, most of the time you should follow these companies that are very successful, very known, and you follow them. But this is a big job, because each day we have IPOs. Okay, and you don't know which is which, so you should put time into it. Oral Biz said, do you remember FB IPO? Listen, Facebook IPO, I was with the first day. All the analysts say it was a bad investment. I was the only one who said that Facebook will be $100 when it was $19.99. If you go to my channel, you see I give a buy at $25, a buy signal at that time. I bought it at $19.99. Okay? From that time, I follow Facebook and they say it will go to 100. No one will believe. It's just because For me, I know something about Facebook that is a challenge to Google. No one will think about that. But for me, it was a real thing at that time. But the problem is that I myself, I don't invest. Okay? I just trade. Yes, I trade. I make a lot of money from Facebook, but I did not invest. If I have invested, maybe I would have made more money than trading it. Because from 1999 to 213, that is a big deal in a few years. But it's okay. Honorable said, bind IPO makes plant-based burgers and meat alternatives. I don't. Listen, there are hundreds of IPOs each month. So you will never know which is good, which is bad. But I don't know about this. Yes, PayPal is a very, very old one. Yes. Bind. I don't know this bind. Let's see. Oh, bind. It's very good. It's 66.22. It's very good. It's very good. So it ups as 46. Okay, let's see. 46, yes. Let's put it with yellow, the open. And the high of the day was 72. 72.95. So it goes up. It reached a new high. 85, 40. Yes. And then it's going down to 66. It could be a good thing if it goes up in the future. For PayPal, it's old. No, not this. Yes. See here, without knowing where is the 26. This is 26 December. So this year, PayPal is doing excellent compared to last year, which was bad. It's very good. Yes, there are some lot of stocks like this, which are so good. So let's continue with what the people say. Nasdilanochi, hey, Nasdilanochi, today you speak and you write something. It's very good. It's very good that you write something. Always you just listen. Take information. And today you write something. Thank you very much. Let's see what you say. This IPO is doing well so far. Was going down the first couple days, but now it's making new highs. ALC. ALC. Let's see your ALC. Oh yes, it's a new IPO also. The first day 58 58.04, and now it's 63. Yes, it might be a good successful, but we don't know yet until it reach now 58.63. It is $5 from the thing. But you see, this is what I like in an IPO. It means it's going down, going up, going down, going up, and then it crosses and goes up. It might be very good. Okay, so we will see in the future. Okay. Thank you very much, Nasrullah, for your comment. Wiseman said, there is 2 companies that are online banks that offer free bank fees for a check account. So big banks bought them and now own them. But Wiseman, I can ask you this question. What do you mean a check account with free fees? Well, what kind of fees? The checking account, most of the time, it's for free. So what do you mean fees? Fees for what? You say free bank fees. Now, what kind of fees are you thinking about? Because checking account, saving account is for free. I have never seen a checking account where you pay annual fee or something like that. There is no. I have no idea. Yes. When you say buying a big company buys a small company, yes, it's always in the market. Because see, some people created something and they become successful, especially technology stocks, like softwares, like any software that you see and successful. So some people, because they make too much money, for example, a company that you spend 10 million or $5 million, and then you can sell it with $1 billion. $1 billion, it's too much money, $1 billion. Those people, they can buy real estate, they can buy restaurants, they can buy a lot of stuff, and then create another software. These guys are genius. That's why I like the young people and the people who are tech guys. It means who can produce softwares, and these softwares you can sell them for millions or billions of dollars. This is very good thing. If I know I would be a software thing, then this it's too much more money. Facebook has been made into a dorm room, okay, with a small codes. Now it is billions and billions of dollars. That's a good thing. Entrepreneur Biz said, nice smart teacher. Don't listen to others. Do your own homework. Yes, listen. In terms of buying, I don't listen to anyone. Facebook, I'm telling you, 6 months in 2012, I follow Facebook daily. Whenever there is a trend, a small trend, I am with it. Most of the gap apps, I am with it. Even some of the gap down, yes. But most of the gap apps, I was in. Okay? So, and I am the first who said that Facebook will be $100. There is no one. If you go to 2012, if you go to other channels, they say that Facebook will disappear maybe. I see one analyst said when it goes to 1755, this is the low. At that day, someone said that I will buy Facebook when it is 12 or 11. The next day, it goes to 1999, and from that time, it's going up. So for me, I don't listen to others. I don't follow others. I do what I think is correct. Even if I lose money, it doesn't matter, because I see with my own eyes, and I am one of the first people, not analysts, because analysts, they were against Facebook. If you go to 2012, 6 months, you go to any article, before it was going up, okay? Before it reached $17.55. Before that, most of the analysts say Facebook is a sell. Don't buy Facebook. It's just because they want the mutual fund, they want Facebook to be so cheap, and then they buy it. So for me, I was looking at the price. I wasn't looking at what the people say. So when I say it will go to $100, it's just because I know that Facebook is the real competitor to Google. Google owns 85% of the business ad. Now, I think Facebook owns 30 or 35, I don't know exactly, but it takes a lot from Google. So Google and Facebook, they are doing a very big competition. And Facebook, it can acquire any other software, any other website, any other big company, and it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. These guys are genius. That's why I like them. I like how do they do the business. You said Beyond Burgers. Yes, I see the stock. They are selling meat and the other stuff. Free Trader said yes, I heard about it. No, for me, I have never heard about this Beyond Burgers. No, I haven't. Bind, I have seen everywhere. No, I didn't see it everywhere. I don't see. I see only Bojangles, McDonald's. What is the others? Burger King, Chick-fil-A. That's the thing. That's the thing I saw. I didn't see other things. Hello, Claude. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. Oral Previous said I shorted RCL, very good for me. Is it for today? What does also do? What does ALC? Oh, I thought you are speaking about RCL. Let's see RCL first. We have a gap up, and then it goes down for today. It goes nearly $3 down, and then it goes up. Yeah, I like the market for today. Royal Caribbean Cruises. Yeah. And what's this? The other stock? What does ALC do? We have seen ALC. We have seen ALC before. Oh, what does it do? I have no idea. Most of the time, or on Pluribus, most of the time, I don't see what the company is doing. If it is not an IPO, it should show the the sector and the industry, so you can know what is the country, what is this company about. But when it is an IPO, you should either know the company or you should search for it. Okay, so no idea. Or I previous say they kept comparing Facebook to MySpace, but Facebook is far more profitable. No, listen. Who spoke about Facebook about MySpace? MySpace is a very, very old technology and it is dead. Facebook, it is not competing with MySpace. It's competing with Google ad business. Try to take this in your mind. Facebook is the only competitor to Google, and the Google is the monster of business ad. So the good thing about Facebook, it has customers that are coming each minute. So now people, they are watching their Facebook daily, many hours. Even they are driving, they are watching. They are sleeping, they are watching. They dream about Facebook and their friends watching. So it's a new, what we call a phenomenon. Facebook has got to some instinctive thing about human being, which is this curiosity to know what's going on, what this person has said, what is the news, what is this. So always when you go to Facebook, all this information are there and the people interact. That's why Facebook is so strong. It has customers that are coming without paying, because when you go to Facebook, you don't pay. Okay, you make groups, you make a page, you put your pictures, your video, you tell what you tell. Who cares? Okay, so the customers come to Facebook. It's like Google, but Google is not interactive. Facebook, it is a human. People interact, people can do things. Okay? Wiseman said, unlimited debt transactions with no monthly bank fees. Unlimited debit transaction with no monthly bank fees. Listen, Wiseman, listen. I don't know if you make a debit, you have a monthly fee. I have never seen that. Wiseman, maybe you are speaking about some kind of banks, but the banks that I use, they will never charge for transactions or debit or whatever. I don't know what's this thing. Big banks charge monthly fees like 12 a month unless you have a certain amount in your checking account. The poor pay. Oh, no. This, listen, Wiseman, try to understand. I have never seen that in what I know. If this bank it asks you a limit or percentage or amount of money, it means you should change it. You should change this bank, because usually banks, you should have an income. When you have an income entering each week or each 2 weeks, they don't ask for any fees. This is what I know. Now, if you have a saving account, it's a different story. Okay? So most of the bank has rules, but for me, I haven't seen these banks that they charge you because you don't have money in your account. I don't know. Or I'll probably say no. RCL. Yes. You know, RCL is like the other stocks. This is the 26th December. It goes up with the... you see, whenever there is a gap up, the stock go down. Whenever there is a gap up, the stock go down. Okay? This is the high as the Dow Jones. It's the same. It's the same. This RCL is working mostly the same as Dow Jones. I will check. You see Dow Jones? It's always doing the same as RCL. Here we have a gap up because Dow Jones, there is no gap up, but the stock is going down. Dow Jones is going down. So nearly it's doing the same. Okay? It's doing the same. Wiseman said online banks are popular with the poor. No. Listen. What do you mean by online banks? All the people use online banks right now. It means you go to your account, you pay bills or you pay things, or you are doing this. But if someone has bad credit, if he has a bad credit or has something else, yes, they might restrict him. For this guy only, not for the other people. Because for me, I have never paid any fees or anything. I have no idea about banks that listen. Banks are very harsh with people who have bad credit. Even the mortgage, they will never give you a mortgage if you have a bad credit, or they will ask you very high interest rate. Okay? And this is how the bank ask the people, the poor. No, not the poor. I'm telling you, it's not a problem of poor. It's problem of credit score. Because these guys, they don't pay. Sometimes they don't pay. Sometimes they forgot to pay. They have trouble with credit scores. Okay, with credit cards. They use credit card a lot and they don't pay. So their points score will be going down until they can't afford anything. The banks will be against them. Okay? Yes, they are poor, but because of their credit score. That's what I see, Wiseman. Wiseman said, I only mentioned this because you mentioned competition between companies. Now, listen. There are some companies, they are like sharks. They target, with credit card, they target the people who can't pay. And they raise the interest rate and you will be in trouble always. Is because you have a bad score. When you have a bad credit score, they will be against you in anything. When you ask for a loan, they will not give you. When you ask for a mortgage, they will never give you. Because, even if you can pay, you have now a good job, but you have a bad credit, they will not give you a loan. It's just because they see your history, how you pay for your bills and credit cards. If they see that you are delinquent, that you are not responsible, they will target you and they will add fees to your account. to everything, to interest rate. Okay, interest rate, yes, they will make it higher and higher and higher. Thank you very much, wise man. Honorable said, yes, I agree. I had a small loss on Roku, short overnight. I hold it when it went up on earning next week. I am watching for profit takers, so I can't short again. Oh, man. Listen. Honorable is, I will tell you a suggestion. Never sell short a stock on the news, whatever it is, whatever you are certain. Never do that. One day, if you continue to do this, one day you will pay. But when you pay, it will be very harsh pay. Okay? So, forget about shorting stocks on the news. And I'm speaking about holding the stock for tonight. Okay? I'm not speaking about trading. You trade and... no, I'm not speaking about trading. I'm speaking about holding the night for the news. Okay? So be careful. Claude said, can you please take a look on Bitcoin chart and tell us what you think? I have a long open from 5,700. So Bitcoin, let's see. You said 700. But listen, Claude, I see the chart. I see the chart. 5. Now, which day you bought? 5,000. 5,000. Where is this 5,000? Okay. It could be here. You bought maybe 6 May. You bought 6 May here, 5,700. Okay, you have made a very good profit. Understand that that it can go up more and more, but it can go down also. So I can't tell you anything. So if you want risk, you can stay more and more and more. Okay, because so you are getting about $800. So the trend is very good right now, but I have no idea where it goes. But you bought very good. Since you bought from the beginning of the trend, you are excellent. You are excellent. Okay? So check. Check. So you bought maybe around around maybe 3rd May. Maybe you bought on the 3rd May $705 or something, and then you have the trend, which is very, very good. hope it continue to go up. Understand that no one knows how this Bitcoin work. So hope it can continue up and make more money. Okay. So Claude, be careful. This can go up so good in many months, but it can go down at any moment. So if you should put, for example, an exit point, and each day you change this exit point, and whenever it reaches, you exit. Because understand that even if you exit and after a few days it goes up, you can buy it again. Don't worry about that. Okay, so you buy it. But getting the profit and don't lose the profit, it's one of the best thing you can do, because you have made some money right now. Okay. And there is a big trend, yes. And there is this Coinbase. It gives a lot of new. I don't know if I have shown you before. I will just show you very quick. So look at this. There are even new ones like this one, XRP. XRP today is only 1 cent. 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. It's going down, yes. But some of these can go up very good. But these things can make a lot of money, and you can lose a lot of money. So understand that. So all these are new ones. 1 cent today. In the week, nothing changed. In the month, it lost 6 cents. In the year, it lost $1.40. So be careful of these things. It can go up at any moment. It can go down at any moment. So they are very dangerous. They are very dangerous things. So be careful. Let's continue. Raju Ahmed said, market are reversed today. What's your opinion? No. Today, the market was, in the morning, it was too bad. But in the afternoon, it shows strength. It is strong. So I will just show you, because I showed this before, where the people, they were not here. So I will show you before, so you can take an idea. Okay. The Dow Jones today, as you can see, all this week, 2, 3, the beginning of Monday was too bad. So this week, I was shorting the whole market until today. Today, when I see the market in the morning, I stay. But at the end of the day, it begins to go up, so I sold all my shorts. So I don't sell short anymore. So what will happen? You should check next week. If it continues to go up, it means that it's a reverse. Okay? But it might be going down also. So no one knows. So it doesn't mean that any green candlestick good, it means it will continue. So see here. See this one? So this is excellent. It's very strong. But after it, it goes down. Okay? So this gives you an idea that you should not just, you should try. Yes, you should always try. Okay? Always try. And then see. Russell also, it goes down, but it's strong today. And understand that Russell, it has a high, a very big high on 173.39. It's so far away from the resistance line of last year. Now Dow Jones, the resistance line is only few dollars. Here it is 269. 259, it means $10. And before it was 266. It is only $1 here and it crosses. But unfortunately it goes down. So what you should do, you should wait next week and the other weeks and see where the Dow Jones go. If the Dow Jones collapse, it means it will go down more and more down. It will be a downtrend. But if it stops going down, going up again, I think it will cross 1 week or two, it will cross this. And we will be in a big trend. Okay? So this is what I think. S&P 500 is the same. Now, S&P 500, it goes to resistance line. So S&P 500 is better than both Russell 2000 and Dow Jones because it reach and it go down. So S&P 500 will be better, I think, than both of them. It can come, for example, here, the resistance line is 294 and this is 288. Okay? So $6 and it can go and cross the, so maybe next week if the market is strong, it can cross next week by Friday. So, but if it collapses, it will be the same as the others. So this is just to show you my opinion. And for me, I am waiting for this move. I am waiting for this move, either up or down. If it goes up, I will buy long. If it goes down, I will short. Because it is easy. It is easy to check the indexes and the stocks that follow them. Okay? Okay, you said, you said, okay, I always do it. Never hold short overnight. Too dangerous. Yes, this is what I am speaking about. Do not short and hold the stock overnight. This is the worst thing you can do in trading. Okay? I repeat again. I think you have understood me, or you don't understood me. I don't know, because you say never hold short overnight. This is what I told you. Okay? Because the danger is so bad. The stock can double up. I have seen that. Okay? And I don't believe it. I bought a stock at it's called ANAC. I don't know where it is right now. $75. Next day, it is $135. Okay? Anything can happen. But shorting, maybe you will be in debt. And you will never know where the stock is going to be. It is unlimited risk. It is unlimited risk. If the stock is going down, it is always a limited risk, whatever it is. But shorting a stock and taking and holding overnight, it is unlimited. A stock is $10, it can go to $50 tomorrow. You will never know. But if it is $10 and it becomes $1, even if you lose 90%, it's okay, because you are losing your money. But for selling short, you will be losing all the broker's money. And the broker will call you in the morning and with a margin call, and they say, man, bring me the money right now. Right now, bring the money. Okay? That's a bad thing. Samsung said my prediction is next week will be in the red. Okay. Samsung, for me, I don't predict. I told you what will happen. Two scenarios at the same time. If the market is strong, it could be a buy and almost all the stocks are going up. You can make money. If it collapses, it means that the market is not ready to go up yet. It should go down into a downtrend. So it is high time you short the indexes with ETFs and you just leave them for a few days. But always there is a risk, okay? So try not always to put in your mind that you do a trade without risk. This doesn't exist, okay? Now, Claude said, it's a different price on most exchanges. Now, what is the thing that it is a different price in most exchanges? What is it? Can you explain? Claude, can you explain what do you mean? It's a different price on most exchanges. No, it is not. All the exchanges I showed you, they are good today. Okay? So where is the difference? There is no difference. I don't know what you mean, Claude. Can you explain? Write another sentence and explain what is it that it is different? At least I can explain to you. Claude said, thanks for the advice. I already started reducing. Now listen, whatever you do, try always to take this idea of sure thing. Okay? Always trade with confidence, but if you are wrong, you exit. That's it. It is as simple as that. You buy something, you are not right, you are wrong, you exit. If you are right, you stay. That's so easy. But some people, they don't understand it. Okay? When they are wrong, they stay more, hoping that the stock will go up again. And this is one of the biggest mistakes, that you pay for it too much. Believe me. Samsung said, on Prometheus, you can use put options also to minimize risk for a shorting stock. Listen, Samsung, why you want to do two opposite directions? Why? Why you go long and you go short at the same time? This will never lead you to anywhere. Okay? And understand that options is very, very difficult in calculating where it goes, where it doesn't go. So if you make money here, you lose money here. So what's the deal? Okay? The market goes with one direction. It doesn't go two directions at the same time. Okay? So if you buy puts, it means you are going down, and then you go long, it means you are going the opposite. So one of the positions will be a loser. So a winner plus a loser, you will have break even most of the time if you don't lose. So you are not trading anymore, you are just playing. Oral previous said, understood. I heard 70% of options expire worthless. I only trade shares at this time. Listen, 75% of options expire without worthless. It's just because of sometimes is because of the time. Because Wall Street have this idea about options. It is good if there is no time limit. But the problem is that it will expire and you should buy the time. That's why it is cheap. Okay? So Wall Street will never give you something for free. You should pay for the time. In stocks, you don't pay for the time. You can stay with a stock 30 years and Wall Street will never ask you any money. But for options, they do a favor for you and they give it for cheap. So you should pay time also. And it is very dangerous in calculations because there are a lot of things that it is put to calculate things. So it is not understood very, very well. In stock shares, it is simple. The stock goes $1, you buy 100 shares, you have $100, it is clean. There is no play in stocks. But in other things, there is a big play. Options, futures, forex, currency pairs, all there is a big play. And the play is so big. Thank you, Samsung. Thank you very much. Raju Ahmed said, universe ETFs are better than shorting stock. Please explain. Not universe. Not universe. It's reverse. It's called inverse ETF. Okay, let's see. Yes, Oral Purvis has written. So inverse ETFs. I have a training about that. If you want to make sure, we say how to short the whole market. You can go to that training either in ebook or by video, and it will explain to you. It will explain everything you need to know. So you can check it if you want to, or send me an email. Oh no, I'm sorry. Let me take this. I'm mistaken. I'm mistaken in the. Let me. Let me put it again. Yes. Now, let's go to our questions. Listen, Samsung, the VIX is just looking at the volatility in the stock market, but this I don't use and it will never help you, because the volume and how it is just showing you if the stock has a lot of volatility in terms of buying and selling. But this you can see it yourself from the volume. You don't need the VIX. Okay? So for me, I don't use it. And if you want to go more explanation, you can just Google it. It's worthless. I don't use it. Okay? So since I don't use it, I don't want to explain things that I don't use. It's just for me, it is just a waste of time. Okay? Now, as I told you at the beginning, for those who weren't here, at the beginning of the week, why I short the whole market with ETFs. I see that the trend has reached the resistance line. Now, if it crosses, okay, as I have showed you, I will show you again and explain, because some people, they like to see. Now look at the S&P 500. Look at this. So Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So here last week it was Friday. Now if it crosses, it means that the trend that you see can continue going up. You see the trend? The trend can if there is a green candlestick here, instead of the red one, there is a green. It means that the trend continues. The problem is that on Monday, the market go down again. Here it go down. It go up, but it go down too much. So I begin to short from Monday until today. Today, it is going down, going down, going down. Today was very good in the morning. But in the afternoon, it began to go up, go up, go up. So for me, I sold all my shares. I am not anymore into shorting. Okay? It's just because there is nowhere to short. Now, I should wait next week. If the market is good and it crosses I can buy long. But if it goes down, I sell short again. So it depends on the market. So the best thing you do is you should not take a decision from today, because you don't know what will happen next week. How can you go long and next week the Monday begins to go down and you lose all your money? How can you short from today and today is strong? You can't short when it is strong. So it's better to see the price and then decide. Don't decide out of the price. Oral probably said, when the VIX is over 20, some traders feel like it may be time to short positions in the market. Well, listen, Oran Pornobis, I have never used this VIX, and I don't see numbers 20 or 30 or 0. When I see the stock is going down or the ETF is going down, I hit it with a short. I don't care about this VIX. It is 20 or 100. I have never seen it. So some people look at other things. I see some people looking at the stars at night and then decide tomorrow if it's going long or going short. I don't use astrology or all these sciences that all these things that the people see. I don't. For me, I see the price, because the price is something that doesn't lie. I always say this, and I will continue to say this. The price is everything. Okay? Everything else is something extra, but it doesn't mean that it will show you where the direction is. Because if it was easy, everyone goes to this VIX, it is 20, okay, we short. In the morning, you see, everything collapse. But at 12 o'clock, everything's changed. Okay? So that's why for me, I should wait till Or said, any brokers you like with low commissions? Now listen, if you are a day trader, you can take what we call interactive brokers, because if you buy big stocks, it should be $1 flat rate. You buy 150 or 200, you can spend $2. If you are buying big stocks, it's better to use interactive brokers. Okay? Now, if you are buying a lot, 500, 700, 1,000 shares, you should choose another one that it is like $4.95. Okay? Yes, $1. This is a flat rate. Flat rate. Not just interactive brokers, but we have more. It's just flat rate. Normally they say 100 shares is only 45 cents or 50 cents, but they tell you the minimum is $1. It means they lie. They lie in the way they present things. First, they say the rate is, let's say, 55 cents for 100 shares. This is good. And then they say to you, the minimum is $1. What does it mean? It means there is no 55 cents. This is the way how the brokers gives you something from one hand and he took it from the other hand. You have TD Ameritrade and interactive brokers? Yes. But interactive brokers is not good if you don't trade too much. If you are trading only few and you don't generate money, they will charge you with a monthly fee. And the thing I don't like also about interactive brokers, it means if you don't also trade that much, they will charge you for the streaming data of the bid and ask. And this is bad. I don't like that. Now, if you like, you trade a lot, so you are a day trader, you should use, yes, interactive brokers or TD Ameritrade, or it's good. It's good. Robert T. Jean, hello teacher, can you look at the stock at the Planet Fitness? Oh, you know, I know Planet Fitness, but I have never thought PLNT. Planet Fitness, I know, okay, for the gym, but I have never seen it before. I have never seen it. It was only, this is why I told you that IPOs that can make a lot of money, like this one. May 18, 2017. It means 2 years. It was 20, now it is 78. Okay? So it is so good, but I don't know. Last year it was bad, but right now it's doing better and better. I like these stocks that don't do a lot of volatility, as you can see, except for this 1 week here. Now this week, all the market is bad and this stock is good. I didn't see it before. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Okay. Let's go back. That's why I told you always, if you can remember, that a lot of things, when they go good, they are hidden. Either you saw them or you don't see them. Okay? But when you see the big trend, it's over. Okay? It's too much. 2 years is going up slowly. Anyone who discovered this at the beginning, he tries to invest it. That's why I told you this needs time to make a portfolio of these IPOs and follow them. And this, it takes time. It could be a lot of people making one portfolio and working on it each time. When there is an opportunity, they buy. This is the only thing you can do. Oh, it means you are telling me that you bought it on the 26th 26 February? You bought it at 56? $89, 56.89. So you bought it here in this. Now, the exit, you should send me an email, because here you should look at this last thing. You should look at last thing here. I make you a square like this, and you should exit in this area here. All this area is good. Okay? And try to see how much you put. It means how much you bought. Did you buy only 100 shares? Did you buy 200? How much you bought? I don't know how many you bought. Okay? If it continues to go up, you can just raise your exit point whenever you want. And since Robert, you are my student, send me an email, because here I am just in a general YouTube session, so I don't give information about training or so on here. So I give general things, yes. I can teach, yes, but not specific things. So send me an email and I will discuss with you. Just tell me how much you bought, how many shares you bought, and I will give you a way for the exit point and how to move it. Okay? So this is what we're gonna do. Send me an email. Right now, as you can see, you said let's say 57. 57. You have 3. You have 21. You have $2,100 profit. Okay, and it is excellent. It is excellent. What you did is excellent. Okay, so send me an email and we can discuss that. Thank you very much. Excellent thing. Oral said, I trade a lot. Oral said, 10 monthly fee minimum. I don't use their data at all. No, I don't mean the news or so. No, I mean the streaming data of the bid and ask. If you are trading, you are not trading, I think, more than $10, like in commission each month, they will charge you. But since you are a day trader, they will give you the bid and the ask, and they don't give you a delay. That's why, if you are an investor or you have a very, very long position, you should not use interactive brokers, because they don't like investors. They like investors. If people have millions of dollars, yes, okay, but people with few money, they don't like. They like day trader, at least to generate income. Okay. Ugandan Knuckles, how are you, Ugandan Knuckles? And thank you very much for coming. Hello Karim, why some stocks goes down even earning report is good? Yes, I will explain to you this thing. The earning news, what does it mean if it is good? It means the company, for example, the analyst said that the earning news should be $2 EPS. It means earning per share. Okay? $2. Let's say the company announces that it is $3. It means it is good news, because they outperform what the analyst said. But understand, who changes the price? It is traders. The opinion of traders is not okay with the company news. So understand that the traders who change the price, not the company, not a sure thing. That's why, what did I tell you always to keep in mind? Stop thinking about sure thing. When we have this, we should have this. It doesn't exist in the stock market. That's why you get surprised. And you said, why we have good news and the stock goes down? It is because the traders who change the price. It is not the company, it is not analysts. Maybe the whole market is going down. That's why they go to this stock and they short it. Yes, maybe there are some people who are buying. But other people, they see the whole market is going down, so they short it. If they are bigger or they have more money, they will win. So stock market is about supply and demand. The more powerful will win. Forget about the news, forget about anything else. The more powerful will win. So forget about the news, forget about the good, forget about the bad. Just accept what it is there, that's it. Because you can't change it. Okay? You can't change it. So this is Ugandan Knuckles. Wiseman said, I never knew Planet Fitness has a stock. I just know now by their gym. Yes. But listen. What did I tell you, Wiseman? I tell you that each day we have stocks IPO goes into the stock market every day. So you can't handle thousands of stocks each year. You can't. But if there are people who are interested in some companies and they follow, they can put a portfolio and they follow them. 20, 30, 40, 50 stocks and they follow them. Now, when there is a momentum to buy, they just buy and wait. If they succeed, they just leave it. This is what the people should do. But understand that there are thousands of stocks in the stock market. Okay? If you don't follow and you have other people to help you, you can't do that. It's very hard. Okay. Oran said, I am a member of Planet Fitness. Very good facilities. Okay. But this doesn't mean that their stock will go up. It will go up because there are investors who are buying. The company put some stuff, they buy some stuff or a location, and that's it. They begin taking subscriptions or membership and they begin to get money. So they don't buy things and sell things. They don't. They just sell membership. Okay? And they replicate this. But the stock, in order to go up, it means investors think that this company is good and can make money. That's the thing. Now, for me also, I didn't check Planet Fitness. I think I have seen the symbol, but I don't know that it is Planet Fitness. that's the problem. For me, I always see things because I see when I put the ticker, I have seen it, but I didn't see the name. If it's Planet Fitness or it is something else. This is very good thing. Muhammad bin Naba, Ramadan Kareem, صحة فطوركم. So, Oral Pronibis, I use TD Amitrade Level 2 Interactive Brokers. I only pay $1. Buy $1, sell. Very good. Yes. It's very good. Is it a flat rate or is it by shares? Because interactive brokers, when they use $1, it is by shares. Okay. Wiseman said, investors doesn't need to worry too much about commissions. Yes, because, they buy once in a year or twice. They don't need whatever thing. Even if they pay $20 for a commission, it will not affect anything. Because they are not going to buy and sell. They are going to buy in order to stay. Oral Proverby said, level 1, bid and ask. Level 2, come with TD Trade, think or swim. Very good. Yes, if you do day trading, you need to have maybe level 2, but for all the people, they don't need it, because the bid and the ask they show you are the best for you. All the others, it's for day traders who can see opportunities to buy or sell. So Rahmatullah Moody said, can you check the stock S back? Oh, this is very good. It goes so good. Now listen, without looking at the stock, here is the 26th December. It's this one. Yes? Yes. You see that? You see this? This is where the market began going up. Okay, see that? SBA Communications Corp. It's rental and leasing services. Rental and leasing services. The stock is 210. It's doing so good. The big, as I told you, except for this week, where the general indexes are going down, the stock market was so good. That's it. So, Oren Perby said, I heard some 7-figure traders only take less than 5 trades a year. Amazing. Okay. I will explain to you this. This, most of the time, when you follow the market as I showed you from 26 December, almost all guys that I know and they have made money, they bought after 26 December. There is no one who bought before. Okay? Because it was the end and the reverse of the trend. I have said this the first week, the first day. If you go to my channel on the 26th December 2018, I was speaking about this day and I say it could be a big reverse. After 1 week, I say you should wait. It could be a good thing. The other week, I say it is strong. Each week from all these 4 months until this month, which is May, it's about, let's say, 14 weeks. Each week I said the market is so strong. Okay? I bought Facebook and Apple after the 26th December. Okay? I bought them at that time. That's why I just sold them last week. So for the 4 months, when I see there is a trouble for Facebook and Apple, I sold them. Okay? So when you say people who have money, they don't do that much. Yes, if you are in a good trend with the whole market, that's what they need. They don't need to go each day up and down like day traders. They are not. But these are if they succeed. But understand, if they don't succeed, they can incur some losses. Okay? So not everyone, everybody is making money. Some they lose money also. Even mutual funds, they lose money. Oran Purabi said, funny how 7 out of 10 stocks follow the SPY, QQQ, IOM, and so on. Now listen, because the players are the same, the guys who buy the stocks, the guys who short the stocks are the same, except for the mutual funds. So that's why if you are going to buy one stock, other people want to buy other stock, and you find the whole index, 70% or 80%, all they buy stocks because they see they are going up. Now you can the percentage is not the same. Someone gets 25%, one gets 30, one gets 15, one gets 10, but all the stocks, they go up. This is why when it is a good year, most of the people make money, but the percentage is different. Yes. So this is why you say nice trend trading. Okay? This is because people like me, I like the market mood. When the market is so strong, you buy strong stocks are leaders, and then you leave them going up. That's why from the end of December, I always, if you go to my channel, some of you guys have been with me many years. When the 26th December comes, and after that, each week I say the market is strong. This week was weak. Okay? It is weak this week, but I don't know for next week. So we will see. Honorable said, was 283 the bottom of the SPY recently? It means the ETF? Let's see. Yes. No, it's 282.30 today. Look here. Today. It's $282.30. This is the low of today, all this week. But understand that there is a trend. But from which day? Yes. Let's see. 282. Yes. From 29 March. It means that April and 1 month 10 days. 1 month 10 days. If you can begin from here, this is the low, as you can see, which is 282.30. But this is very simple. You just see the chart and see what is the low. You don't need someone to tell you something that you can see. Okay? Where is it? Or probabilities. You don't need someone to tell you where is the low, because you can see the low from the chart. Any low. Okay? Thank you very much, Oral Probabilities. Now, it is 2 hours 4 minutes, and it is the time a time to finish this live streaming. And please, guys, watch my videos, try to share them on Facebook or Twitter or whatever. And I always sometimes bring some new information, or I speak about something. And if you are looking for something, you just send me an email, and I will be happy to make a video about it. Because some people are in cryptocurrencies, some people are in stocks, some people are in other things. Thank you very much, Nasdun Anuchi. And thank you very much for all you of guys. Um, if you have something, you can always send me an email. This is the best thing you can do, is send me an email, because when you send me an email, I will respond very quick. That's the good deal. Okay, so thank you very much, all of you guys. And next week it will be the same time at 10 o'clock. Okay, 10 to 12 always. Thank you very much, and see you next